Rear cross traffic alert warns you if a vehicle is approaching from the left or right when you're backing up. The feature uses hidden radar sensors in the rear corners of the vehicle. When you're in reverse, these sensors look for approaching left or right cross traffic behind you. When rear cross traffic is detected, a red flashing triangle is shown on the rear vision camera screen, which points toward the approaching vehicle. In addition, rear beeps are sounded in the direction of the approaching traffic. If equipped, rather than using directional beeps, the safety alert seat pulses on the left or right side. This feature can be turned on or off using the parking assist system control, or in some vehicles through the vehicle menu setting. Rear cross traffic alert may be particularly helpful in parking situations if your vision is blocked by large vehicles or other side obstructions.